Mamokobobi, I was taking Chimadi, so YMS, and then this morning I shared my day. So recently, about 3 days ago now, we create video, be na say me react to be a wapra, like wapra, oh, here more. Me we my brepa, frankly speaking, and yes, our video now, my name say, or more sebi, or more abodama, or munam from the Juma pa. A cheer, sister, the corner. 3 days to be feel okay. Ain't me wo na minya email techinchi@gmail.com no be sending message so na down ninu bi open university was Starlight company na I think say omo do pay no ain't must send money any picture man me post to my channel say wanted na but no crop e wo mpa ne say techinchi meet me yes hard no the meet me I say to be a company be bano be leave comment to her na mo hakoye research na ma review about company no na me adventure wo company mo na fe ma chere it is still episode take a decision na no what take and na be say bia omo do pia manfo a meet me ka say o mo do pia manfo nti me ka say bia omo ni invest no mo invest the meet me ayi pia mpa na say e bia me abe chere ma adwen say bia say wa omo do pia no na bia wo gidi say e bia company the manager ni say the best place I wait me, the best decision I wait say a baby reported. Actually, I'ma please for Bama and yet the right channel cause me channel had ye me please Nina Minisa 2 minutes meet me abo be wanted. Ha and no crave woman no. And now on my channel no there ba could be my be send their mama say cause say me on my channel me nya upgrading code VIP na according to Nipa no so say more upgrade code VIP na more send you omunya sa tax message we no na o tax message na ne conclusion ni na na chere say ade so mo 200 cedis for tax supplement and see mama investor on almost muntia 200 Ghana cedis for tax supplement na according to GRE4 no omo company because of some company ni so Ghana paying for Ghana agi omo adinti no almost say GRE5 omo to so omo tax enti I say mo 200 cedis but adia me ni say ni pa no do da be omo me so omo be 200 cedis na but no crepa so ewu mpa minim pa ne say wo 200 cedis na ade na che say omo bi account na actual na wo be account no ade policies the asem no mo catch one sana we invest say will be in future no the tax be back into be 200 cedis compulsory into me my dream pa na say me say definitely Starlight for no pay for no na say omo mo ni ya adwuma ni been definitely omo hwe video no ha cause omo nya scan mo nya scan awie nti omo relax ya say omo tia konya my condition bo omo ho omo hwe video no nti suggestion pa na say wa you so 200 cedis no the me suggestion say Starlight for so once you want 200 cedis for tax na already nobody can invest 200 nobody can invest 1,500 cedis into best thing say more 500 cedis na 1,000 no munyi sa 200 cedis na mo fantwi o tax no na o musika na mo invest ye no mo fa profit nye de enka na mo ntwi amom but say o wow we make decision say we twa 200 cedis say 200 cedis because of say usika koka ho na de who say a duping part 2 see okay how mo fa so ye na mo nipa no mo se manager ba be kasanti mo gidi say bia mo dupi man as we no cause mo Telegram group no mame mo audio bi wo men show say admin no girl no or leave we know to we have 20 me ba mo tie
afternoon to you all. I know a lot of you are wondering why I'm still an admin in the Galaxy group. Some of you are thinking I'm working with them and a whole lot. Please, I'm not working with Starlight. The first day Starlight came into existence, I upgraded immediately. So they were able to make me an admin because they said they can see that I'm very hardworking. That is why they made me an admin in the Starlight group. It's not because of anything. I'm not working with Starlight. I'm also a victim like you people. You guys should stop calling my number. I don't have any information to give you people. I'm also like victimized, like I'm also with you people. Nia esinu kofusika na shini ade ni na mo frefre me mo feel say da mo asem bia wose menka me ni asem bia nia metimi aka che mo ni say sorry a risk and obia take and online platform where media too so open join open men join it like I'm not forcing anybody me na media too yes but it's not like it's directed to Starlight for yeah
ain't they all no and I make us anything beyond so over YouTube now pay channel I'll be to me and rely I was so about reviews are fucking cheap and say Starlight okay Starlight video I'm here crana video I'm here no see the cocoa and they say because of someone you see me Google account and I say when you see me account I'm found run a taxi piano I'm out for judging me say me name the me like it's a website we scammer won't take it time and send what it takes him it's a website we scam and that's a website in a scam like in take it time and say why what I think anything piano I'm vigilant and I'm making decisions be I'm making decisions say okay I think we can lose secret me ya no one lose I what take it a risk you know but say do life we need that so we be a go see the nya they recommended so we make decisions there so mostly so I didn't cause I didn't buy said amount for Starlight government na they aba a changing life it's unemployment so and amount for kasa na atime dem video na me and dem give you a amount for year me but I am always saying no lucky ni padodo no mo invest with Starlight or lucky o me say Starlight for you videos by YouTube so omo di Starlight for anim no omo nyina ma ho omo so mo amakoya victims no mo na make me take you decisions but me taking tree me the means me nya de bia mo se bia me the Starlight for campaign in manager na be topi we name is me turn on so na me catch and say we wanted way I can never do that but while I victim no na bit me akọ report na bit me take you decisions me gidi pass video be boa inti video ade ba ko a onfan to aso ne say sa 200 series no more request no munye dem muntwia and at the same time ne so no say monitor say ba no take you money amadia na next time bia we make you move you will know the risk involved and how I be fast wine I go moving no me gidi pass video be wow amadi pia we ye kana happy ano ko nim follow taking share on Facebook YouTube hi subscribe the channel no the videos be brave bro the videos are who here we kana happy we are dey bia unim atena we no